dreaming of pristine white sand beaches, crystal clear turquoise water, and endless sunshine, but worried about your wallet? Well, what if I told you that your dream trip to the stunning island of Aruba is way more affordable than you think? That's right. Welcome to your ultimate guide to experiencing paradise on a budget. In this video, we are going to unlock all the secrets to making your Aruba getaway a reality without breaking the bank. We'll start by answering the top 10 most burning questions every traveler has before visiting this beautiful island. And then, the part you've been waiting for. I'll share my best kept secrets on how to travel cheap in Aruba. We're talking brilliant tips on everything from finding affordable places to stay. So, if you're ready to plan the perfect money-saving adventure to the one happy island, stick around. First things first, let's tackle those essential questions you're probably asking yourself. Question 1. What is the best time of year to visit Aruba? The amazing thing about Aruba is that it's located outside the main hurricane belt, which means you get consistently sunny and warm weather pretty much all year long. The peak season runs from January to March, offering perfect temperatures, but also higher prices. The crowds are smaller, and you'll find much better deals on flights and accommodation. It's the sweet spot for budget-savvy travelers. Next up, a question I get all the time is the tap water safe to drink? The answer is a resounding yes. Aruba's tap water is incredibly pure and actually delicious. It comes from a modern saltwater desalination plant and meets the highest international quality standards. So, save your money and help the environment by leaving the bottled water on the shelf. Just bring a reusable water bottle and fill up straight from the tap. Alright, let's talk money. Honestly, for most visitors, there's no real need to exchange your money. Prices are often listed in both currencies, making transactions super easy. So, a mix of US dollars and a credit card will have you completely covered. While it's always fun to learn a few words in the local language, papiament. The official languages are Dutch and Papiament, but English and Spanish are spoken fluently all across the island, especially by everyone working in tourism. So, you can relax and chat away without any language barriers. Now, for a very important question, is Aruba safe for tourists? The crime rate is very low, and the island has a very welcoming and secure feel. Keep an eye on your belongings, especially on crowded beaches. And don't leave valuables visible in your rental car. How do I get around the island? Like the rugged landscapes of Aruba National Park or the quiet baby beach? Taxis are also plentiful, safe, and regulated, as they don't use meters. But for the ultimate budget option, you can't beat the public bus system. Aruba's, it's efficient, clean, and connects all the main hotel areas with downtown or ingested and other popular spots for just a few dollars. For most travelers, you'll need a passport that is valid for your entire stay. You'll also need to fill out the online Embarcation S-Embarcation card or ED card before you fly. You might also be asked to show proof of a return or onward ticket. Entry requirements can change, so my best advice is to always double-check the latest rules on the official Aruba tourism or government website before you book anything. What kind of weather should I expect? Seriously, expect beautiful, sunny, and dry weather almost every single day. Temperatures usually hover in the lovely low to mid 80s Fahrenheit. Aruba is famous for its constant, cooling trade winds. These winds not only keep you comfortable in the heat, but also make the island a world-class destination for sports like windsurfing and so pack your sunscreen! Because sunny days are practically guaranteed. This is what makes the island so special. Aruba boasts a fantastic variety of beaches. On the southwest coast, you have the famous Palm Beach and Eagle Beach, which consistently rank among the best in the world. Their water is calm, shallow, and unbelievably clear, making them perfect for swimming and just relaxing. But if you're more adventurous, head over to the rugged north coast inside Aruba National Park. The coastline there is wild and dramatic, with powerful waves crashing against limestone cliffs. It's more for exploring and taking breathtaking photos than for swimming, but it's an absolute must. And a final question before we get to the budget tips. Should I tip? And how much? Tipping culture in Aruba is quite similar to the United States. It's a common practice to show appreciation for good service. Before you tip at a restaurant, quickly check your bill. Some places automatically include a service charge for other services like taxi drivers or hotel bellhops. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, how to actually travel cheap in Aruba. As we mentioned, visiting between April and August can save you hundreds of dollars on flights and hotels. The weather is still amazing. Being flexible with your travel dates by even a day or two can make a huge difference. Next, let's talk about where you stay. While the high-rise hotels on Palm Beach are beautiful, they come with a high price tag, or even better. Consider renting a vacation apartment or a small studio through sites like Airbnb or VRBO. This not only cuts down your nightly costs, but also gives you a kitchen. Having a kitchen is the ultimate budget travel hack. You can make your own breakfast, pack lunches for the beach, and even cook a few dinners. This will save you a fortune compared to eating out for every single meal. You don't have to spend a lot to eat incredibly well in Aruba. The secret is to eat where the locals eat. Skip the expensive tourist-trap restaurants and seek out the local snack trucks and small family-run eateries. These places serve up delicious and authentic Aruban and Caribbean food for a fraction of the price. Look for dishes like pastechi, which are savory fried pastries, or a hearty fish soup. Also, make a trip to the Superfood Plaza or another large grocery store when you arrive. Stock up on snacks, drinks, fruit, and breakfast items. A cooler for the beach is your best friend. My final set of budget tips is all about activities. The best things in Aruba are often free. Spending your days lounging on the world-class beaches, swimming in the calm water, and snorkeling right off the shore won't cost you a dime. Bring your own snorkel gear to save on rental fees. Instead of paying for expensive tours, rent a car for a day with some friends and create your own island adventure. You can explore Arikok National Park on your own, visit the California Lighthouse, and find your own secluded beach spots. And do you and I forget to enjoy the simple pleasure of watching the sunset every evening, Ed? It's the best free show on the island! So, there you have it. Your complete guide to experiencing the paradise of Aruba without emptying your bank account. From knowing the best time to go, to eating like a local and enjoying free activities. You are now fully equipped to plan an affordable and unforgettable trip. Aruba truly is the one happy island, and it's a destination that everyone can and should experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and guides.
Hey there, Aruba fellow travelers. Get ready to be astounded, for my suggestions will certainly save you money. And you will in the know how to travel cheap in Aruba. In this video, I'll share my top tips and insider secrets to help you explore this stunning island paradise on a budget. We'll also let you know about how to find best deals on accommodation and tips for saving money on transportation in Aruba. And who doesn't want to know about eating well on a budget? So, we'll tell where to find delicious and affordable food. Best of all the free and low-cost activities. Stay until the end and we'll give you top questions you will have before going to Aruba and the best answers. This hidden gem in the Caribbean offers budget travelers the perfect destination. With its stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and wallet-friendly options, Aruba is a dream come true for those seeking cheap travel destinations. From discounted accommodations to affordable local eats, you can experience the beauty of this island on a budget without compromising on memorable experiences. Finding the best deals on accommodation in Aruba. Coconut Inn is nestled in a quiet neighborhood. Coconut Inn offers very affordable rooms with a tropical flair. With its lush gardens and cozy atmosphere, this budget-friendly accommodation is perfect for those seeking a peaceful stay. Pearl Door is located just a short distance from the beach. Pearl Door provides comfortable rooms at a budget-friendly price. The hotel also offers a refreshing swimming pool and a restaurant serving delicious local cuisine, making it an excellent choice for budget travelers. Talk of the Town Hotel is situated in the heart of Oranjestad. It is a great option for those looking to explore on a budget. With its convenient location, comfortable rooms, and reasonable rates, this hotel provides excellent value for money. Aruba Blue Village, set near Palm Beach, it offers cozy apartments with kitchenettes, perfect for those who prefer a self-catering option. The property also features a swimming pool and a communal barbecue area, making it an ideal choice for budget-conscious travelers. Little Paradise Aruba is a charming guest house, offers affordable rooms and a warm, friendly atmosphere. Located in a tranquil neighborhood, and it provides a peaceful retreat while still being within easy reach of Aruba's popular attractions. Remember to check each accommodation's website or contact them directly for the most up-to-date rates and availability. Tips for saving money on transportation in Aruba. Keep an eye out for airline deals and promotions to score affordable airfare to Aruba. Sign up for email alerts from airlines or use flight comparison websites to find the best prices. And here is a list of the best. Skyscanner serves well to compare prices from various airlines and find the best deals for flights to Aruba and other destinations. Kayak helps you discover affordable flights to Aruba by comparing prices across different airlines and booking options. Google Flights makes it to easily search and compare flights to Aruba, view prices on a calendar, and track changes in fares. Momondo makes it easy to find the cheapest fares to Aruba by comparing prices from multiple airlines and travel agencies. Expedia lets you book flights to Aruba at competitive prices, access exclusive deals, and bundle with hotels and car rentals. CheapoAir lets you search and discover affordable flights to Aruba and other destinations with discounts and deals for budget-conscious travelers. Orbitz lets you have the ability to compare fares from major airlines and book your flight to Aruba, while also exploring hotel and car rental options. Travelocity is a search engine that helps you find the best prices for flights, bundle with hotels and car rentals, and enjoy exclusive discounts. Priceline lets you score great deals on flights by comparing prices, bidding on fares, and taking advantage of package deals. Airfare Watchdog is the one I use also. It gives me alerts for the best flight deals anywhere, find hidden discounts, and stay informed about fare changes. Aruba has a reliable public transportation system, including buses that can take you to popular tourist spots. Opting for public transportation instead of taxis can help you save money on getting around the island. Public bus trips are incredibly affordable, with a round-trip retour card costing only $5. This card allows you to take 2 trips. It is such a great deal for money. For just $10, you can get a day pass that allows you to travel by bus all day, as many times as you want. It's a fantastic idea for those of you who are eager to do some serious exploring. Rent a car if you prefer the flexibility of having your own vehicle. Compare car rental prices and book in advance to secure the best deals. Look for discounts, promotional codes, or package deals that include car rentals to save even more. There are months like October which can be the cheapest to rent a car. Share transportation costs if you're traveling with a group or other budget-conscious travelers. Consider sharing the cost of transportation. Splitting the fare for a taxi or renting a larger vehicle together can help reduce expenses. Explore by foot or bike in Aruba, which is relatively small, making it easy to explore on foot or by bicycle. Take advantage of pleasant weather and enjoy the sights and sounds at your own pace while saving money on transportation. Where to find delicious and affordable food in Aruba. Eating on a budget can help you save money while still enjoying the local cuisine. By opting for local eateries, street food, and supermarkets, you can experience authentic flavors without breaking the bank. Lunch specials, happy hour deals, and sharing meals are additional ways to stretch your budget. Here are some ways to eat on a budget in Aruba. Visit local eateries and food trucks for affordable and delicious meals. Opt for street food and snacks, such as empanadas and arepas. Explore supermarkets and grocery stores to cook your own meals. Look for lunch specials and early bird menus at restaurants. Share meals or order appetizers instead of full entrees. Take advantage of happy hour deals for drinks and discounted appetizers. Pack snacks and sandwiches for day trips or beach outings. Visit local markets for fresh produce and seafood at lower prices. With its stunning landscapes and pristine beaches, the island offers a variety of activities. Immerse yourself in nature by exploring the Aruba National Park, where you can hike through scenic trails and encounter unique wildlife. Take a leisurely stroll along the powdery sands of Eagle Beach or Palm Beach, 2 of Aruba's most renowned beaches. Snorkeling enthusiasts can marvel at the underwater world at Mangle Halto, a secluded spot with vibrant coral formations. For a cultural experience, visit the colorful Oranjestad Market or take a self-guided tour of the city's historic landmarks. Aruba provides endless opportunities to explore its beauty on a budget, ensuring a memorable and affordable vacation. Explore local markets like the Oranjestad Market for unique and affordable finds, including handmade from Holland crafts and gifts. Visit shops that offer locally made products, such as ceramics, artwork, and jewelry, all within a reasonable price range. By shopping smart, you can bring home meaningful mementos without overspending. Top 5 questions people ask before going and the best answers. Number 1, is Aruba safe for tourists? This island is generally considered safe for tourists. It has a low crime rate, and the local authorities prioritize the safety and well-being of visitors. However, it is always wise to take common-sense precautions like securing your belongings and being aware of your surroundings. Number 2. What is the best time to visit Aruba? The island enjoys a tropical climate year-round, with temperatures averaging around 82 degrees Fahrenheit, 28 degrees Celsius. The peak tourist season runs from December to April when the weather is dry and pleasant. Number 3. What are the must-visit attractions in Aruba? Eagle Beach, known for its pristine white sand and crystal-clear waters, Eagle Beach is consistently ranked among the world's best beaches. Aruba National Park, this natural treasure offers rugged landscapes, hiking trails, caves, and stunning viewpoints, showcasing Aruba's unique flora and fauna. Oranjestad, the vibrant capital city, is a colorful blend of Dutch colonial architecture, shopping districts, museums, and lively street markets. Natural Pool, tucked away in Aruba National Park, the natural pool is a secluded swimming hole surrounded by volcanic rock formations, offering a serene and breathtaking experience. California Lighthouse, standing tall on the northern coast, the California Lighthouse offers panoramic views of the island and is a great spot for sunset watching. Palm Beach, a bustling stretch of coastline lined with luxury resorts. Palm Beach is perfect for sunbathing, water sports, and enjoying lively beachfront bars and restaurants. Baby Beach, with its shallow turquoise waters and soft golden sand, Baby Beach is ideal for families and snorkelers looking to explore the vibrant underwater world. Alto Vista Chapel, this picturesque chapel, perched atop a hill, holds historical significance and offers a peaceful atmosphere, making it a popular spot for weddings and quiet contemplation. Butterfly Farm, get up close and personal with beautiful butterflies in their natural habitat while learning about their life cycle and conservation efforts at this enchanting farm. Hooiberg, hike up the 562-step staircase to the top of Hooiberg, Aruba's volcanic formation, and be rewarded with panoramic views of the island's striking landscapes and coastline. Arashi Beach, a favorite among locals, Arashi Beach offers calm waters, excellent snorkeling opportunities, and a laid-back atmosphere, making it a great spot for relaxation and tranquility. Donkey Sanctuary, visit this heartwarming sanctuary dedicated to the well-being of rescued donkeys. Kasabari Rock Formation, explore the fascinating rock formations, where huge boulders are stacked upon each other, creating a natural playground for climbers and a picturesque backdrop for photos. Renaissance Island, accessible only to guests of the Renaissance Aruba Resort. This private island paradise offers pristine beaches, flamingo sightings, and exclusive amenities for a luxurious getaway. Aruba Ostrich Farm, embark on a guided tour of the Aruba Ostrich Farm and learn about these fascinating birds, their habits, and enjoy the opportunity to feed and interact with them. You can also indulge in water sports or take a sunset cruise. Number 4. What currency is used in Aruba? The official currency of Aruba is the Aruban Florin, AWG. However, the US dollar is widely accepted throughout the island, making it convenient for tourists. Many businesses also accept major credit cards, so it's always good to have a mix of local currency and cards. Number 5. What are some traditional dishes to try in Aruba? Seafood specialties like fresh fish and shrimp, and don't forget to try the refreshing local drink called Aruba Ariba. Here is a list of the most liked food dishes in Aruba that will surely help you. Keshi Yina, a delicious dish made with melted Gouda cheese stuffed with a savory mixture of meat, vegetables, and spices. Aruban Seafood Soup, a flavorful combination of fresh fish, shrimp, crab, and vegetables simmered in a rich and aromatic tomato-based broth. Pasteki, these deep-fried turnovers are filled with a variety of savory ingredients such as cheese, meat, or seafood. Sopi Mondongo, a hearty and savory tripe soup, slow-cooked with vegetables, herbs, and spices. Kari Kari, a traditional Aruban dessert, features sweetened pumpkin cooked with cinnamon, nutmeg, and other spices. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. We appreciate you watching our videos. Thank you.